Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to fix FireKirin account suspended. If your FireKirin account has been suspended, follow these steps to address the issue. First is to identify the reason for suspension. It can cause from violations such as using unauthorized cheats, exploiting the game glitches, or engaging in fraudulent activities. If you believe the suspension is unjustful, you can provide the detailed explanation to FireKirin support team, including any relevant evidence or context. You can contact the FireKirin support team. Reach out to FireKirin customer support to inquire about the suspension details and possible resolutions. You can avoid the future violation. Familiarize yourself with FireKirin's terms and conditions to prevent future suspension. Some suspensions may be due to server issues causing random account suspension. In such case, contacting support is crucial for resolution. If the suspension is irrelevant, you may need to create a new account ensuring compliance with all guidance to avoid future issues. So that is how you can fix account suspended on FireKirin. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.